Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this sequential numbers at a mouse click. And from our friend Eskimo, and we need to, if you can anywhere on your blog, on his blog, you can thank him. We need to thank him. He does a lot for the Corel community. But I thought I'd push the limit. I drew a flower, and I'm going to select both the flower. So you can see down here, I've got two objects. When I double click this, I get that cursor, and look at that. I could put flowers, and the number is going to keep adding up. Now it's a little bit off maybe on the 10, but that's cool. You're never going to do flowers, most likely, but if you had, anything, and then to get rid of it, just hit the escape key. I'm going to make a shortcut key so I don't have to open up the, in later versions, it's called scripts, and earlier versions, it's macro. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to assign it a keyboard stroke. And there it is right there, and there's no stroke, so I'm going to add a new one. And S is taken, so I'm going to go alternate S. Well, it's actually the symmetry tool. So I'm going to go Control S. Now that's save. Just trying to think what else set. S has got to be something, smart fill, but that's mine. You might not have one. I'm going to go S1 for 1 digit. Hit assign and then say okay. Now I'm going to hit S1 and I get that digit. That's pretty cool. And then get out of it, just hit escape, start another one. I'm going to put a link to his video and his blog and where to get the macro. There's, almost anything you could do to this. Let me make some, so I've got my snap to, so it's snapping to the corners. I'm going to go and get my pick tool. And so you could do things. I'm hitting the plus key to make another one. Now for a second, I'm going to nudge that square out of the way, and I'm going to make these red. And I'm going to take away the outline. And then I'm going to put this back. Whoop. And then I'm going to get rid of all this, but I'm going to get rid of all these. But that's pretty cool. I thought I'd push the limit. Well, I took away one of my dots. Let me get rid of these. See, these are 2 parts. So one more. Let's hit Control G and group it, and then hit P and this, write the number 7, start with, hit P. And you've got to get away from your text tool when you do that. And then center justify it. And then when you select it, or you could draw anything. When you select all this, I'm going to hit S1 and I get that cursor. Look at that. If you had to make a clock face, you could click, have you some tick marks and actually do the clock like that. But the possibilities are endless. And if you didn't watch the first one, there's 2 and 3 and 4 digit numbers. So you could start off with different numbers, but I'm going to probably just use this the most. So I'm going to hit escape and get out of that. So I'll leave a link at the bottom of the video for his blog. And I know Mr. Eskimo will watch this, and we can't thank you enough. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.